hello there. Today is, what's today? Wednesday. Hump day, hump day, hump day, hump day, hump day. No, but anyway, I am off of work. I have taken a shower. LeBron's taking his bath. And I am cooking a breakfast tonight for dinner. And tonight is Empire Night. I'm excited. So, and then I think tomorrow Scandal comes back on. So, OMG. And I am not a have-nots, whatever it's called, have-nots, have-somes, have-nots, the have and have-nots, whatever it's called by Tyler Perry. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Don't try to judge me. Don't go there. I watched the episode once and I kind of like, I didn't like it. I don't know why. I just didn't like it or whatever. And so I never was into it. Like I never got into the whole thing. Now I'm seeing everybody comments like on Facebook and everything. I'm just like, man, you know, maybe I should have, you know, tuned in a little bit more. They was like after the first and second episode, it really got good. So, but between The Walking Dead and that Have-Not show, I'm gonna have to catch up on those and start from season 1. Then I have my Scandal and my Empire. My America's Got Talent went off, and I think American Idol is coming on soon, as well as X Factor. So anyway, I have a couple of shows that are going to be coming up soon, so I'm excited. So again, I'm doing my my breakfast night tonight. Hubby is calling me. He think he's slick. Let me hurry up and videotape this before I take his call. So I have some pan sausage. And let me tell you about these sausages, these pan sausages. Hold on, where are they? Right here. These are the bomb. Try these. They have medium, they have hot, and they have mild or something like that. I like the hot sausages, but hubby, he claims that that's too spicy for him, so whatever. And I'm gonna make some eggs. I'm gonna show you the eggs because y'all know what eggs look like, but this is how I make my pancakes. So I know I get like my husband, he asks me all the time. I don't ever show him how I make it, but I guess after he see this, he'll see how I make it. But every now and then I like to make my pancakes taste more of like a cinnamon, like a cinnamon taste to it. And so what I do is I still add water. This is just the add water mix because I don't have time for all that right now to do the ones from scratch, which are pretty good, but I don't have time for that right now. Anyway, I have my stuff in here. So normally I sprinkle a little cinnamon. Just a little bit. This is some vanilla extract. It's imitation vanilla, but anyway, I add a little bit of that, just a little bit. See, just a little bit, not a lot. And then I always add a little apple juice. It's just something about adding that, it's really good. And I'm trying to pour with my left hand. Y'all don't judge me. Maybe I should pour with my right hand because it's gonna be a hot mess. So let me try to pour with my right hand really quickly, because my husband is buzzing the phone and I'm probably gonna make a mess. But anyway, there we go. It's filled to the top. They don't never fill that thing to the top like that. They knew that I was trying to make a video. But anyway, that's all I put in there. As you can see, it's like that. And then I just add a little water, and then I of course cook them in my pan. And I usually cook them on my grill, but it's getting kind of old and like I have to keep wiping it down because all the black stuff is trying to come off of it. So I pan fry, which I like my pancakes kind of pan fried. But anyway, that's how that looks. So anyway, and then my husband, if you don't answer, you know what? My husband's a mess. He gonna say, ooh, we call me. And so he called me twice. I didn't answer. He texts me. He says, you, ooh, we, call me. Now watch. He's gonna call again. Watch. Let's wait on it. Wait on it. Watch. Watch. He's gonna call me again. You can see the very, you see what he texts me? The very top. I mean the very bottom right there. Yeah. Now watch, he gonna call me again. He gonna call me again. This is like, this is what he do. He gonna call me again. But then he may not call me. Probably like, this woman, he ain't answering her phone or whatever. He gonna call me again. Watch. I'm gonna not call him just to prove a point that he's gonna call me back. or whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna put some water in here or whatnot. Get me a big old spoon. Told you what I told y'all. Look at that. Hello.
Hey, we could have smelled when I called you the first time you answered. You understand?
Oh, that's funny. When you call me the first time, I better answer.
Yeah.
Even if I'm on the toilet.
Yep.
Yeah. Ooh. I let all of YouTube hear what you say to me. I said, watch, you gonna call again, y'all. I said, watch.
Okay. Answer that phone.
You know, you a hotmess.com. You got to change it up.
Yeah.
What you gonna change up?
I'm about to call once. I'm about to text first, then call. Then call and wait a while, then text. I'm about to swap it out. I can't do the same pattern.
Alright, you swap that out, then I'm gonna swap out where your food at.
No, wait.
Huh?
Wait.
Wait, what?
I don't want to play.
You don't wanna play that game?
Nah. But I'm headed to you.
You headed to me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, I love you.
How far are you?
I'm just spending like 20 minutes.
Oh Lord. Alright.
You can make my food. I'll warm it up. There ain't no thing.
I know you gonna warm it up. Alright, love you.
Alright,
Bye.
thanks, bye.
Alright, as you can see, I got my pancakes all laying here being warm after. Alrighty guys, so there it is, breakfast for dinner. How you doing? Bam, really quick so I can watch my show tonight, Empire. I'm cooking. Alright y'all, we about to grub. Watch how fast LeBron come out this room. Watch. LeBron, food ready. Watch how fast. Oh, he didn't hear me. LeBron, food ready. Watch how fast. Look. What?
Food. Yummy.
Oh, cut that out. Cut that out. You just be grateful that you have something to eat. You don't act like that. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You just thank God that God provided you with some food, right? All right.
Yummy, baby. You put me some syrup.
I'm gonna put some syrup on there. Amen.
Amen. That's an end.
I'm gonna put this in the microwave. So when he open it, he sees and he records himself opening up. I want to see his facial expression.
Nate Rhodes.
again. Do it again.
Really? Oh my god, that was funny. Oh, that was funny. Oh goodness.
Okay, you got me.
You a mess.
Microwave on.
I know, I was saying about it. I was getting ready to say, no, don't turn the microwave on, don't turn it on. Got him.
That was good. That was a good one.
It was, right?
Top 5. You got me, baby.
I know, I got you. What's up? What's all that? You kiss me when I play a joke on you? Really? Huh? So I'm just doing like a little refresher, and I'm gonna do like I'm gonna do a twist out all over my head, but as of right now I'm not gonna do my whole head because that's just too much. But I do need to add some moisture to it, so that's why I said I was gonna do a twist out. And the twist out, I'm gonna continue that, of course. I don't know if it's gonna be enough hair. Hopefully it will be. Yeah, see that? So I'm just doing like a refresher, just kind of, cause my hair is really dry. Can y'all see that? It's really, really dry. And so I was like, it's time. So I don't want to look like a monkey for the weekend. Yeah, it's party bad. I'm not trying to be perfect because it's gonna be a twist out anyway once I get done. So it is what it is.
It'll be all yours, okay? I'm afraid. Put your heart into this gun. Which makes me the most qualified in the company, Dad. Your sexuality has a choice. Do you want empire or don't you? I need to know that you got that monster in you that does what he has to do. The songs that I'm writing will only further prove that I'm on steroids. Empire is yours, Timbo.
For 17 years, you kept your mouth shut about what Frank Gathers did. Help us and make sure he never gets out. Teddy McNally left that rose, you know.
I'm gonna get at him for you.
They call him Tricky Tricker because he's the best at hostile taking.
We gotta stick together. You made a deal. You let her back in the company. That was before your mother tried to murder me.
Jamal, that's not what it looks like. You're just lying. You're under arrest for the murder of Funky Williams.
You did this to me?
No, I swear.
Okay.